looks so goofy.
They've got a couple really lame trucks at Perfection. They got this 5th gen, got a den side. This weird ass Lumen Duty with blanks. He said this thing does some pretty gnarly burnouts. I don't believe him. I think he's capping.
Probably.
I take back everything I said. That was Gabe Pro production approved.
What? Did it spin or something?
Look at the ramp! Yo, whose are these? Well, we almost made it to get my new truck.
Hold on, I'll look back. Look at, oh. Why does it taste like Smarties?
Blew a fat hole in the radiator.
I need to stay coming.
So now we gotta take one of the Dodges off of the trailer to get us the rest of the way there.
My girlfriend's gonna be pissed. I just took all the money out of her savings to buy this truck. I gotta pay her back, and now I can't pay her back. I got no way to make money.
That one all the way on that side, I'll put the dually right there. Perfect! Well, we're pulling up to Lindsay and the Duramax. And here's the moment of truth to see if she hates it or not. I don't want to sleep on the couch.
Oh god,
tonight.
there it is. You don't want to sleep on the couch. Look at her. Oh, there's the old beater. Jeez, look at the windows.
We're kind of like YouTubers or something, but we never record.
CJ, can you pick that wheel up?
Not pick it up.
This is some big boy wheels.
So CJ wanted to bring his truck to the show, and I felt bad, so we're buying him some 26s real quick. He had some like 15-inch fuel wheels, and we're going to like a real show, so like it's gonna really have to do that. So I bought him these 26s. I'll let him borrow them for the show, and then I'll just like take him back before he leaves.
Is that true?
Yes. Hey.
That's all you had? What are you doing?
Going to the grocery store.
Fire department to help out Gabe's truck through burnout. I can't even see you.
Where's the truck? There he is.
That's a reserved seat for Gabe and Brandon. Gabe sits here, Brandon sits on top of him.
Where do you sit?
So I just bought this. It was actually $10.99. It was on sale. It used to be $11, but I knocked it out. It actually has a Hemi in it.
Hemi?
This is an S10, the special edition. It just looks like a Bronco, but it's not. It's a Chevy S10. These wheels, I just bought these. My dad I just bought
Whoa. What do you think his favorite beer is?
Bud Light.
Man, now that's a setup right there. But you want to know what's even better than that? Hey, that's awfully close there, bud.
Oh, no, it's not bad.
How do I? How?
This button.
Deal.
I might use it. It's out of gas, bruh. No, I brought like.
Damn. My dad's got some pretty cool trucks. Will you please sell it to me?
I'm not selling it.
Please.
Not.
Come on.
It's my baby.
With no wheels, no bed.
Not selling it.
Please.
Not.
Come on.
Zero.
You're lame. So I got tallest truck.
Oh, okay.
We have another jack maybe, because this jack's bleeding off. Bye, Trey. So you put it in third, and then you press on the gas and the brake at the same time, and all 3,000 horsepower engage, and then it'll spool the 3 turbos, and you'll burn the tires off.
CJ's gotta leave this side. Yeah, come here.
What is even going on?
So my shorty is gone. The tow rig is gone. A lot of people are going to be very upset about that, including myself. I've had a lot of trucks, but definitely one of the coolest trucks I've ever had. Obviously, it had to get replaced by something very special. You guys will probably be able to make guesses on what it kind of is, but I guarantee nobody can guess exactly what it is. I didn't want to film a really good reveal without doing a couple things to it first. Let's just say I've spent enough money on extra stuff for this truck that I could have bought 2 more. Yeah, so shorty's gone. Reveal video will be coming soon.